Hello again. We are going to do another art project today, and this is nature impressions with paint. So what we've done is we went outside and collected all kinds of stuff. You could get leaves, you could get bark, you could get the tops of some flowers. We have some wood chips here.
And you have you can
got
have
a top of a
big
flower.
stick like my brother.
Yeah, and we found part of a shrub apparently. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these and we're gonna dip them in a color of paint and then we're gonna daub it onto the paper and make an impression.
For the stick.
Well, oh, you dip this head of this flower. What color do you want that to be?
Blue.
No, let's pick some other colors. You can't make it all blue, please. Because you know what? God didn't make everything the same. All right, well that's nature impressions, so have some fun, get some cool stuff, and go ahead and paint. All right, what we're going to be working on now is making caterpillars, and we're going to erase them. So the first thing we're going to need to do is have your strip of paper, and we're going to fold over the end and make a face. Put a couple eyes and a smiley on it. Now, here's what you want to do. You're going to keep folding it and folding it. Can you fold yours?
No.
You got yours? Almost. Here's what we're going to do with the scissors now. See how on this caterpillar, she cut in and made a couple of bumps on there. So we're going to sort of has a wiggly edge. Okay, and then unfold yours and see what it looks like.
Hey man, do you have a worm?
Yes.
Or a centipede? I think it's upside down.
There. A bit crooked.
Looks happy.
Okay, what do you think yours is going to look like?
Oh, very cool.
Let's see. He looks like a smiley face.
Unfold him, see what he looks like.
He's an accordion.
Get your caterpillars going. You get to blow them and see if you can get them to go.
Put it back on the table and blow, Benjamin.
Mine wins.
I love how
Mine wins.
All right, thank you. Have fun.